if you can't sleep at night because of the investments that you're putting your money in, they are not the best investments for you. And that has nothing to do with age or how much time you have to invest. I personally am an aggressive investor. I've been investing since I was 16 years old, and I do pursue the more riskier investments because I do believe that with risk comes greater reward. But if I was not able to sleep when the market is down because it's giving me stress, anxiety, or just physical distress, then I would tell myself, you don't need to be in aggressive products. You need to be in more moderate or even conservative. And yes, the bonds are out there as an option, a traditional savings account if you really want to be that conservative. But that's what we look at. And we ask people hard questions. And a lot of times we show them what the market was like in 2008. And if they were able to process the losses of 2008, and then be able to appreciate the rewards in 2009 when the market came back about 26%, then I'd say, okay, maybe you're a more prepared investor to be in an aggressive or a moderately aggressive portfolio. But if someone tells me I hate to lose 5 cents on the dollar under any circumstances, I don't like to take any risk at all, then that's a different conversation. And that's when we can't recommend aggressive products, no matter how old they are. And that's what people need to realize. If you're working with someone who insists that you invest in something aggressive because they think you're young enough to handle the cycle and the changes and the volatility, you might want to reconsider working with that person because they're not putting your best interests at heart.
Personal finance is personal. Like we said, it's personal, it's individualistic based off of your circumstances. Yes, there's convention, there's rule of thumbs, there's just blanket statements, but you have to really think through like, what is best for me, my finances, and my particular situation. So I really, really appreciate that.